Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to stop Mobile Service Manager. Before doing this, it is important to know that disabling this app could stop some carrier features from working. This may include automatic network updates, visual voicemail, or certain messaging services. If your phone works fine without these features, disabling the app is usually safe. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. Scroll down until you find Apps or Application Manager. Tap on it to open the list of installed apps. Next, look for App Settings. Tap on it. Now tap the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Show System. This step is important because Mobile Service Manager is a system app and will not appear unless system apps are visible. After that, scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top. Type Mobile Service Manager and tap on it when it appears. You will now see the app information screen. Tap on Disable. The app is now disabled and will no longer run in the background. If you notice any problems later, you can always enable it again by following the same steps. Thanks for watching.